Hello everyone! Today, let's talk about how a project is completed in a Freelancer Marketplace platform using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace Plugin. If the freelancer has successfully delivered all milestones as required in the project, the customer will go ahead and check it and discuss if needed with the freelancer. After that, the customer has options to add more milestones and release or reject current milestones. If rejected, the freelancer will be notified and further discussion and work will be needed. But if released, the milestone will be marked as completed. Once closed, the corresponding project amount will now be added to the freelancer's balance, ready for withdrawal. There you have it! Now you know how to complete a project in a WordPress Freelancer Marketplace. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!